Hi friends, welcome to Sumi's Maths tutorial. If you like my channel, subscribe it, like it and share it. An easy way to do maths. Hi students, today I am going to teach class 8 chapter 2 linear equations in one variable exercise 2.3. Solve the following equations and check your result. Solve means I had to find the value of x. So the given some problems, we have to find these values of x and we have to check whether those are correct or not. The first one, 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. In this, we have to find the value of x. Now bring all the x terms one side. So I am sending this 2x to that side. When it comes this side, here it is plus 2x. When it comes this side, it becomes minus 2x. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. And 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x. Where x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18. Now checking. Instead of x, we have to write 18 here. So 3 into 18 is equal to 2 into 18 plus 18. 18 3s are 54 is equal to 18 2s are 36 plus 18. 36 plus 18 is equal to 54. So these two are equal. So our answer is correct. Next we will go to the second sum. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Here we have to find the value of t. So bring all the t terms one side. I am bringing this 3t this side. So here it is 3 plus 3t. When it comes this side, it becomes minus 3t. So 5t minus 3t is equal to here minus 5. Here is minus 3. I am sending this minus 3 to that side, becomes plus 3. So minus 5 plus 3. 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t. Minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. Because the greater value symbol is minus. So we are taking here minus. Now t is equal to, I am sending this to this side, minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 1. Therefore t is equal to minus 1. I am checking here, instead of t, I am writing minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 5. 5 into minus 1 minus 5, minus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 5. Here both are of same symbol, so I am adding this. So minus 8 is equal to minus 8. Next, come to the third one. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. The solution, I am bringing this 3x this side, becomes minus 3x. 5x minus 3x is equal to 5. Plus 9, when going that side, becomes minus 9. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. And 5 minus 9 is equal to 4. Because the greater value is 9, symbol is minus, so I am taking this minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to minus 2. Now checking. Instead of x, I am writing minus 2. 5 into minus 2 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3 into minus 2. 5 2s are 10, minus 10 plus 9. Here 5. 3 2s are minus 6. Here minus is this, so minus 6. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1, minus minus equal. Next, I am coming to the fourth problem. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Writing all the z terms one side. 4 does. Next, plus 2z becomes minus 2z is equal to 6. I am sending this 3 that side. So, variables one side and constants one side. This is 6 minus 3. 4z minus 2z is equal to 2z is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. Then z is equal to 3 by 2. I am bringing this 2 this side. It is multiplying here. When it comes this side, divides. Now checking. Instead of z, we have to write 3 by 2. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. Here 2 becomes cancelled and 2 2s are 4. Now 2 into 3. The separate I am writing plus 3 and 6 plus what is the value left I am writing here. Now 2 3s are 6 plus 3 and here 6 plus 3. Total 9 is equal to 9. Next, come to the fifth problem. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Same way, I have to write all the x terms variables one side. 2x plus, here is minus x, when it comes this side becomes plus x is equal to 14. I am sending minus 1, that side becomes plus 1. So 2x plus x is equal to 3x, because x means that is 1x. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3x is equal to 14 plus 1 15. And x is equal to, I am sending 3 that side. So 15 by 3, 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to 5. This is the solution. Now checking. 2 into, instead of x I am writing 5, minus 1 is equal to 14 minus 5. 2 5s are 10 minus 1. This side 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So 9 is equal to 9. So this is equal. Now come to the next problem, that is sixth problem. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. I am separating this one. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x, 3x. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 plus 7. That is equal 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x. Here minus 3 plus 7 is equal to plus 4. Now I am writing all the variables one side and constants on the side. 3x, bringing this minus 3x here. Here is plus 3x, when it comes this side becomes minus 3x. And 4, when it comes this side becomes minus 4. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x. This side 4 minus 4 is 0. So x is equal to 0. So wherever x is there, I am substituting 0 here. Now checking. 8 into 0 plus 4 is equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. 8 0 0 plus 4. Here 3 into minus 1 plus 7. So here minus 3 plus 7, that is equal to plus 4. Here 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Coming to the seventh bit, x is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. By cross multiplication, I am sending this 5 this side. 5x is equal to 4 into x plus 10. 5x is equal to 4x plus 4 into 10, 40. Now writing this 4x this side. 5x minus 4x, here 40. X is equal to 40. Now checking. Substituting wherever x is equal to, we have to substitute the value of x, that is 40. So 40 is equal to 4 by 5. 40 plus 1, 10. So 40 is equal to 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. 5 tens are 50. So 4 into 10 here. 4 tens are 40. So 40 and 40. Come to the eighth bit. 2x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Same way, writing all the variables one side. 2x by 3, this plus 7x, when it comes this side becomes minus 7x by 15 is equal to 3 here, and this is minus 1. Now see here, 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15, and 3 and 15, LCM is equal to 15. We have to make the denominators as equal. So here 3 is there. If you multiply with 5, it becomes 15. So 2x by 3 into 5 by 5, that is equal. Whatever you are doing, you have to do the numerator and denominator. So 2x into 5 is equal to 10x by 3 5s are 15. And come to the second one, 7x by 15. That is 15 only. So 15 once enough. 7x by 15 into 1 by 1, that is 7x by 15. So instead of 2x by 3, now we are writing 10x by 15 minus 7x by 15. Now see here, the denominators are equal. So 10x minus 7x, you can write it as in one fraction. 10x minus 7x, we can directly subtract the numerators. If the denominators are equal, directly you can subtract the numerators. 10x minus 7x by 15 is equal to 2. That is 3x by 15 is equal to 3 5s are 15. So x by 5 is equal to, then x is equal to, goes that side, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So instead of x, I am writing 10 here. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. 2 into 10, because x is equal to 10, by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. 2 tens are 20 by 3 plus 1. Here 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 7 2s are 14 by 3 plus 3. Taking LCM, 3 ones are 3. So 20 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 14. 3 3s are 9. Taking LCM here by 9. So 20 plus 3, that is 23 by 3. 14 plus 9 is equal to 23 by 3. Next, come to the ninth bit. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Same way, bringing all the variables one side. So minus y becomes plus 5. 2y plus y is equal to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 2 plus 1, 3y is equal to, here 26 minus 5 by 3, that is equal to 21 by 3. I am bringing this y this side, 3 this side. 3 sounds at 21. So y is equal to 3y is equal to 7 and y is equal to 7 by 3. Substituting here, this is a checking process. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Instead of y, I am writing 7 by 3. So 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y is equal to 7 by 3. 2 7s are 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. This side 3 is the denominator and 14 LCM. 14 plus 5 here. And this side the same denominators. So coming to the one fraction 3, here numerator is 26 minus 7. Here 14 plus 5 is equal to 19 by 3 and 26 minus 7 is equal to 19 by 3. So these two are equal. Next, the last 10th sum in this exercise, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Here, this is the greater value. So I am sending this 3m that side and 8 by 5 this side. So 3m plus 8 by 5 is equal to 5m. We want 8 by 5 is equal to, I am sending this 3m that side. 5m minus 3m is equal to 2m is equal to 8 by 5. M is equal to this 2 coming this down. 2 4s are 8. So 4 by 5 is equal to m. Therefore, m is equal to 4 by 5. Next, checking. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Instead of m, I am writing 4 by 5 is equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. 3 4s are 12 by 5 is equal to 5 4s are 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. Here the denominators are equal. So writing here 20 minus 8 by 5. 20 minus 8 is equal to 12 by this is 5. So 12 by 5 is equal to 12 by 5. This is the solution.